In this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to place this drawing here, the ground floor plan and the first floor plan to the layout book. So before we do that, I'm going to show you one very important step, and please be very careful when you're doing this step, because the step actually begins from the first video that I did when I showed you how to add windows and doors. You remember that I told you to actually name them. So all the windows and doors which are of the same size and are made of the same materials will have the same name. So what we are going to do is we are just going to show the name. So what you're going to do is just select the dot tool, then press Ctrl A to highlight all the walls, then press Ctrl T for the settings, then come to dimension marker, this one here, then change from no marker to door stamp, and then just uncheck that. Don't want the whole side wall dimension, don't also want that, don't want these ones. I only want to see the ID, and just continue until you reach this point, then override this one ID text. I'm going to change the size to 1.5, not 1 and not 2, sorry, 1.5, and the style to 2 times New Roman Western, this one. Then change it from bold, change this one also to 1.5, and the style also times New Roman, the Western style, and then just press OK. Then you'll have your door stamps placed. So we'll do this for the first floor doors also. Ctrl A, then Ctrl T, just the same thing I've done. So we are also going to do the same thing for the windows. So select the window tool, then press Ctrl A to highlight all the windows, then Ctrl T, just the same procedure. Change from dimension marker, change from no marker to window stamp. Then for those of you who are very keen, you are going to notice that I've actually used 2-tier dimensioning system. So let me just remove something here. So that is why I don't have dimensions for the openings, but with these ones we are actually going to know the dimensions of the openings. So I've actually labeled everything, and now we can actually place our drawing into the layout book. So just press Alt F7, then place your drawing like that. We're also going to place the first floor plan same way. The other way you can, let me just show you the other way you can actually place this drawing on the layout book. Just on the layout book like that, just drag this here like that, and it will be placed. So that is just another way, but I usually don't prefer doing it like that. So I have my drawing placed, all my drawings placed. The only drawing I have not placed is the one for the section, because I have not labeled the sections yet. So I want everything to be in line. So they are on the same line. Let me just crop some parts here, just a little bit, then drag these down here, just like that. The drawings are placed. We are going to override certain things. Select the drawings, then press Ctrl T, then go to size and appearance. We want to make everything black and white, so under colors, change from defined by pen set to black and white. Then title, change the pen color to black. Text style, just change it to Times New Roman. That, just press OK, and everything will be in black and white, neat, so that when you print everything on your tracing paper, it will actually look very good and appealing to the eye. So we can actually rename this, but I'm not going to do that now. So at this stage I think we are done. The next thing we are just going to do is draw the scaling, the sectioning, the sectioning for the house and the section for the staircase, then actually continue documenting. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.